The Clooneys were a gorgeous couple while posing for photographers at the red carpet premiere of George's new directorial movie, The Tender Bar. We can always count on George and Amal Clooney to bring their best fashion looks for a Hollywood event. The superstar couple stepped out in Los Angeles on Sunday, October 3rd, looking absolutely gorgeous at the red carpet premiere of George's new film, The Tender Bar. The 60-year-old famed actor and director was so handsome in a gray suit, black button-up and black shoes, while Amal, 43, stunned in black and white cutout dress and crystal earrings and heels. George and Amal had big smiles on their faces while they were snapped on the red carpet. George wrapped one arm around his wife's waist, and he placed his other hand in his pocket to slightly show off his lavish watch. Amal also carried around a clutch purse that matched her overall dark ensemble for the event. The Tender Bar premiere was the couple's first red carpet appearance together since way back in May 2019. The film's star-studded cast of Ben Affleck, Ty Sheridan, Lily Robb, and Christopher Lloyd were all also at the event, which included the first screening of George's new project. The movie has a limited theatrical release on December 17th, and then will start streaming on Amazon Prime Video on January 7, 2022. Related gallery. George Clooney and Amal Clooney, photos of the couple. On the carpet, George spoke to Entertainment Tonight about his experience quarantining with Amal and their 4-year-old twins, Alexandra and Ella Clooney, amidst the COVID pandemic. "It was fine. You just feel so bad for the world and all of that, you know? But our kids are 4 and they were 2.5 when it started, so you know, they weren't missing out on much out in the world," the Oscar winner said. "So, you know, I didn't have to teach them trigonometry at home." Amal, meanwhile, chimed in and said that her hubby has been a great teacher to their kids. "He's mainly teaching pranks for the time being," the humanitarian rights lawyer shared. "But we'll see if it develops," she added.